What's up? We're cooking salsa rojo. What you need for it is you need one, two, three. You need 8 tomatoes. You need 1 onion, split it in half. You need 2 jalapenos, or usually you should use 1, but it isn't spicy for some reason. So yeah, we're just using 2. And you need garlic. And you need this sweet pepper. Alright. So we're taking out the ingredients for the salsa. Looks good. This jalapeno has been to war. He has PTSD. Get it? These jalapenos aren't even spicy.
Та ні, без само догорає. Виключити шланг, так, соб'єш.
Alright. Got the peppers in here. We got the jalapeno and the sweet pepper. And then we got the other ingredients in the bowl. We're putting it in the blender. Taking off the peel. Look at this skin. Wow. Look at that.
Не знімають.
It's really satisfying when you take it off the onions. It's so hot. The garlic. Alright, we got the garlic. Alright, now we're doing the peppers. Just the jalapeno. That's not even spicy. Look at those seeds in there. Oh. Let me try a seed. Ah! It's hot. Ah. О. Внутри острое.
Острые, да? Тогда, может, и одного хватит. Сейчас
They're
посмотрим.
actually kind of hot.
Ну да, сначала добавь 1, перемели, если мало будет, потом еще кусочек добавишь.
Yeah. The juice is hot.
Можно.
Now we got the red pepper, which this one is 100% not spicy because this is just a sweet pepper. It's hot. Oh, that's satisfying. Nice. It's hot. Just came out of the grill. Oh, it's nice. And now we got cilantro.
Мог бы снять, как я его сюда закинул.
Turns out that the jalapenos were hot. It's just that on the inside the juice was hot. My lips are still burning even though I drank milk. Look at that. Okay, now we're gonna blend it. Ready? Look at that. It's done, but it's still a little hot. Alright. It's done. We also added some sugar, some salt, and some lime. And it's the finished product. Let's try it. Alright, let's try it.